Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create survey on SurveyMonkey with email address required. So I'm creating this survey right here and I'll scroll all the way down. And the first thing I want you to do is add a new question. So come here on the left hand panel, click on build, and here on the right hand panel, you'll see a bunch of different options. I want you to scroll down until you see this one that says email address. Okay, now we'll drag this and drop it right here on this page. As you can see, it will bring up a new question. I'll type it in. For example, please enter your email to be contacted for further feedback or updates. And the label, I'll leave this as email address. And the placeholder is where they'll enter their email. And then come here, click on options. Okay, and we'll make this to be a requirement because we want the email address to be required. So I'll toggle this one on, and this is what it will show when they do not answer this. And you can also go a step further and click on this one and toggle this on to basically verify the email address format. And if it's invalid, we'll show this error message. So I'll save this and let's go ahead and preview this and test it out. There you go. We can see right here the email address question. And as you can see, it has an asterisk. That means it is required. So if I click here on done, you'll see it will not work because this question requires an answer. And if I type in something incorrect in terms of the format and I click on done, it will give me another warning saying that please enter a valid email address. So let's just add at gmail.com and then it should work, as you can see. And it's really that easy on how to create survey on SurveyMonkey with email address required.